elephant.
Hi, I'm Kent the elephant, and today we are going to learn opposites. What are opposites? Opposites are pairs of words which have different meanings, like day and night. The opposite of day is night. We work in the day and we sleep at night. Are you ready to learn opposites? Let's start. What is the opposite of big? Is it small or is it cold? That's right, small is the opposite of big. You see, the elephant is big and the mouse is small. Let's go again. Now what is the opposite of full? Is it sad or empty? Empty, that's right. The glass is full and the glass is empty. Let's do another one. Look, here I am carrying something really heavy. What's the opposite of heavy? Is it light or is it sad? Well, I look kind of sad. However, it's light. That's right. Light is a feather. You see, the rock is heavy and the feather is light. Let's do another one. Ooh, look, we have a happy face. What's the opposite of happy? Is it sad or is it cold? Sad, that's right. The opposite of happy is sad. But I'm happy. How about you? Let's do another one. We have a clean hand. What's the opposite of clean? Is it light or dirty? That's right, dirty. Dirty is the opposite of clean. This hand is clean and this hand is dirty. Here is a fire. It's very hot. What's the opposite of hot? Is it small or is it cold? Yeah, the opposite of hot is cold. The fire is hot and the ice cube is cold. Well done, you did a great job learning opposites with me. See you next time.
You're watching Kent the elephant.